So putting this thing back together, put in this piece of foam. This allows you to access from the tail light in there, but the speaker is there, kind of restricting. So this back part, these just snap on to these clips. So would undo this seatbelt. That way all this gets together, then this can go back up. You see some of the snaps. There is one nut that I think went there for this piece. And then the top piece that went up on the top, this piece pops out and there is a bolt that goes underneath on this side. So in order to get this tail light, this last bolt, which is under the bumper, you can alleviate this easily once you actually remove this top clip from this piece in here. There's 3 of them. Alleviate those. This will come out after you've popped this molding off. These little dudes in here. In order to get to that, you would have had to remove 5 Torx bits in here. This is for the exterior part.